did you do? What have you been doing? Get off. Get off. What did you do? Give it. Give me the damn wig, look. I spent so much time styling it yesterday and this is what it looks like now. Oh my god. So hi guys and welcome to my channel. I can't actually speak that loud today, so I might actually have to do a voiceover, just because it's Sunday and everybody's sleeping and I don't want to get shouted at. Finally doing the highly requested video on me, how I do my wig, because a lot of you have been asking and I've been ghosting for like literally 2 months. Quite ill today, but I've been so busy at work, like I've been doing 13 hours sometimes, like it's that deep, and because I'm self-employed it's all on me, so when it comes to like trying to sit down and actually film a video, God help you, I can't even like fathom it. I just like get into bed and just sleep. I've actually got a cold today, and I'm actually still working today even though it's Sunday. I've got makeup appointments I need to go do. What do you want? Oh. Why? Why can you not just have it done? Jesus. Do you know what? I haven't worn this. Oh, damn it. It's so messed up. I haven't worn it for so long, but I just know that I don't like the colour anymore. I just don't like it anymore. It's just not my thing. Like, I think I liked it for a little bit, but now I think it's too blonde. And it's gone like, from the back I look like a white girl. And then I turn around and you're like, oh, she's brown. It's just a bit weird. I just think like, nah, I don't like this colour. It's not like the shade of blonde I want anymore. I want it to be more like on the grey side. Oh my god. Jesus. Why? Oh, let's do this again. I want it to be like, I don't know, a pink. So if you guys have any colours for me that you think would suit me, please put it down below, because I think I've been deciding for about 3 months what colour I'm going to do this, and it's still this colour. I was always worried about doing this video because I was thinking in my head like I don't really do anything different than nearly everyone else that puts on a wig, but I guess like since you guys want to see it happen, I guess to get all this damn hair under here is an absolute mission. And I don't braid my hair down, so there is a little few things that I do differently compared to everybody else. So let's get into the video. First I start by putting my wig cap on. Jesus. I always manage to hit my face with it so hard, but honestly, like, that's just how I deal with it. So I start by like twisting my hair and tucking it underneath. I found braiding my hair actually makes my hair thicker and it makes it more obvious under the wig. It's really lumpy. So literally just putting this on and it gets quite flat underneath. Then I've got, oh, he's so cute. I've got another wig cap that I've cut in half. And with this one, I'm kind of putting it around my head as if it's like a headband. What this one kind of does is if you guys have seen on YouTube, the Bald Cap Wig Method. I'm too scared to try it the way that everybody else is doing it because my hair is too heavy. It will literally just come out and I can't see how some spray is going to keep all that hair in. So I do it this way. And then I kind of spray all the got-to-be hairspray on my, yeah, it feels disgusting, on the hairline area, and you will literally feel it like fizzing. It's so gross. It's so gross. You can see it fizzing. Oh my god. So the things we do, man, the things we do. So I kind of just massage it into my hair and let it dry. Once it's dried, I start kind of cutting all the excess lace off. I'm not gonna lie, no one can do this perfectly unless you've got like a hell load of practice, and I don't wear my wig every day, so I haven't been able to get that practice. But if you are smarter than me, you use a smaller pair of scissors, because I actually end up clipping my ear. You'll see it soon. And honestly, don't try this at home with these big ass scissors, because I don't want anyone chopping their ear off and then coming to blame me. Like, no thank you. So once I've cut off all the lace, I just spray down again, just to kind of make it a little bit smoother, just because, you know, when you're kind of cutting around it, it pulls the lace a bit too much, and then I kind of hold it down with the back of my brush, because that bit I screwed up basically, but it doesn't matter because I'm just going to put it on anyway and just keep measuring to see what it'd look like. Then I get some powder, my skin colour, and just pat that all on. And I'm just getting my glue. I end up using it with a brush and I use my finger. It's just whatever I find easier. But what I've found easier with this is kind of doing it in sections and then kind of putting the wig on in sections, because if you try to do it in one go, you're going to get so much hair everywhere stuck where you really, really don't want it. Kind of just dry that quickly in a cool setting, and it kind of helps if you tie the hair back just so it doesn't get in the way. It's quite difficult, this part. It looks as easy as it can, but it's really quite difficult. So I kind of just put it onto the glue and just press down with the back of my brush, and then kind of repeat all the steps on the other sides of the hair. So try not to get all the little baby hairs in. Like, it is really hard, and you can see that I fucked up on the nose because my hair's actually showing, but who cares? I'm so sloppy with this, like, it's so bad. But yeah, it's just literally the same method all over again, and I don't really care about, you know, my hair showing on that side because the hairs kind of mask it. If you want, you can kind of like brush some baby hairs on and curve it round, but for this wig I just prefer not to do that because it just looks fake. It looks fake already, but it looks better, messier in the front than it does slicked and clean. So I kind of repeat the same thing on the other side. Honestly, like, I think it took me roughly half an hour, 45 minutes to do all this. Like, it takes forever to put on a wig, and that's why I can't do that every day. So I put the hairband on really tight just to kind of lay that all down, and you can kind of see it's melted into my scalp perfectly. So I'm just brushing the hair back to kind of make it look more realistic, because I feel like sometimes behind your ear it kind of does look more realistic. But then I get my scarf again and put it on tight over the top so it flattens it a bit. So I'm getting a face and body and MAC face and body and just kind of patting that into the hairline. And then I get my spray and hold it down. Because this lace is so shit, like the holes are so big, I just kind of prefer to spray it down so it kind of makes it flatter. And then obviously go over it again with a scarf. So this is the final look. I wish I didn't put it behind both ears because I kind of look like an elf now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know if you want anything else. Bye, take care.